Okay, cross-reference this batch with the master list.
Looks good. The ESD components match the invoice.
Incoming quality control verifies samples meet electrical and mechanical specifications.
Materials are either quarantined or released based on inspection results.
Released materials are kitted and delivered line-side to prevent mix-ups. Accurate stencil alignment ensures consistent solder paste deposition. Correct component reels are loaded and verified to prevent placement errors. Automated placement accurately mounts components onto the printed boards.
Controlled reflow heat permanently bonds components to the PCB.
AOI detects solder and placement defects immediately after reflow.
Human review confirms AOI findings before boards proceed.
Depaneling safely separates individual boards for downstream assembly.
Boards are buffered to balance flow between SMT and electrical testing.
ICT checks component presence and basic electrical integrity.
Automated probing validates solder joints and circuit continuity. Consistency check. Electrical QC gate is correctly placed before final assembly.
Boards are sorted immediately to prevent defects from moving forward.
Past boards are released for final laptop assembly.
Each motherboard is scanned to link it with the final laptop build record.
Proper seating ensures mechanical stability and electrical grounding.
Correct cable routing ensures reliable power and data connections.
Automated vision confirms assembly completeness before proceeding. Weight checks help detect missing or extra internal components.
First power on confirms basic system functionality after assembly.
End-of-line testing validates full system performance before release. Automated diagnostics confirm all core functions operate within specification. Thermal checks confirm safe operation under controlled load. Any failed unit is isolated for controlled rework without stopping the line.
Software configuration is verified to ensure correct factory image.
Final audits provide additional assurance before packaging.
All required accessories are kitted to ensure a complete customer package.
Sealing and labeling finalize the individual retail package.
Master cartons are sealed and labeled to maintain shipment accuracy.
Weight verification confirms correct carton contents.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes pallets for safe warehouse movement.
Racked storage protects goods while awaiting shipment.
Packaging waste is compacted for recycling to reduce environmental impact.
Electronic scrap is segregated for compliant recycling. Pallets are staged by destination to streamline loading.
The dock is prepared to load pallets safely into the truck.
Pallets are loaded and secured to prevent transit damage. Security seals protect shipment integrity until delivery.
The shipment departs, completing the outbound logistics cycle.
Production data is reviewed to maintain quality and throughput.
Routine maintenance keeps equipment ready for the next production run.
Empty carriers are returned to support the next build cycle. Controlled temperature, humidity, and ESD conditions protect electronics quality.
Detailed analysis supports continuous improvement and defect prevention. Factory completes another controlled production cycle.
Non-recyclable waste is sealed and stored for compliant disposal.
The audio contains speech, likely a voiceover, saying, "Waste is staged with documentation for licensed disposal partners."
Consumables are managed to support uninterrupted future production.
The line is secured and ready for the next scheduled build.
An organized facility supports consistent, high-quality production.
Quality records are archived to support audits and traceability.
Manufacturing insights are fed back into future product designs. Test systems are reset and ready for the next production run.
Regular cleaning maintains safety and operational standards. Reusable logistics materials are organized for the next inbound cycle.
The facility settles into a controlled end-of-shift condition.
Visible certifications confirm adherence to required standards.
Production and traceability data are backed up securely.
Protective equipment is stored properly for the next shift.
The loading area is secured after shipment completion.
Factory rests after completing the full production cycle.
Reusable packaging is inspected to ensure it remains safe for future use.
Clear pathways support safe and efficient factory operations.
Wrap tension is secure, pallet pattern confirmed. Now cross-referencing the label against the manifest. Looks good.
FIFO buffering maintains correct shipment order.
Cleared pallets are staged for scheduled carrier pickup. Pallets are loaded according to transport safety standards.
Seal is set.
Okay, sign right here, please. And here's the device back.
All right, you're all set.
Outbound operations conclude with the dock secured.
Reusable pallets are returned and staged for inspection and reuse.
The production floor remains orderly and ready for the next schedule.
The end-to-end manufacturing process is complete.
A controlled facility supports consistent laptop manufacturing.